welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Simply Gilded haul. I debated doing this, I also debated not doing this. I debated just selling it like now, like without opening it. But I think I have an invoice in here, and to be honest, that's really the main reason. Oh no, I don't. It must just be here normal orders. That's good to know. So yeah, so this is the August Simply Gilded box. You guys know this is probably my second to last one, I think, unless she sneaks something amazing for October. I don't know. We'll see, because you know next month is the Galaxy, and I saw the sneak peek and it's pretty good. So it looks like one of the other ones, but I'm looking forward to it. All right. So let's go through with this as our guide, even though I like never pay attention to this. I got, or I think they are normally like this, excuse me. We got the foiled journaling card. Ooh, that's really washed out, sorry guys. There we go. And reading is magic. It's a really pretty one. I hate reading. My English would probably be way better if I did, but I don't. I just don't find it fun. And then, I was gonna say I have no washi, but I guess I'm gonna jump ahead to the canvas pouch, because that's where my washi is. This is the better of the two pouches. This one isn't as smooth as the last one, but it could just need a couple, like as in the canvas pouch, not the last one. You guys know how I felt about the last one, which was like the clear one. I mean, they're cute, like these ones are cute. The other one was terrible in my opinion. So you have the non-bow washies here. I think these are good going into fall. I think this was a good choice. Well, now I have to lighten it because we zoomed in. They're cute. Again, the books aren't my thing. This is cute. And this, I mean, it's cute. And then the real reason I get it is lavender with what? Copper? That looks copper to me. I don't have anything gold next to me. Oh, yeah, I do. Maybe it's rose gold. So here is last month's. So that looks copper to me. I have a feeling it's not though. Hang on. So I think this is what she calls her rose gold, and I think the pink foil is what I would call a rose gold. I would call this copper, and then her pink one rose gold. But I pulled the other ones. This was the lavender, which was silver foils, and then there's a gold one, but I don't have the gold one. So this would essentially complete your collection. So I consider this a dusty pink, not pink, purple, with copper. I'm pretty sure that's her rose gold, but I'm gonna say copper because that's what it looks like. I mean, you can see the gold. I mean, this is a coppery rose gold in my opinion, but you can even see that it's a little, they're not gonna shine together, but this is a little bit more pink than this, but I still like it. I mean, I buy it for the bows, so I may keep the bows and just sell everything else. But I really thought I may actually sell the whole thing like as is, because I've opened it. All right, so let's go to the TN pocket. So it is a book TN, and it has rose gold. See, I think this looks more rose gold. This is super pretty. Oh, and there's one on the back. There's two. These are pretty. I like that this is different in the sky. And then we have the canvas pouch. There's a magnet somewhere. That's not a magnet. This is a magnet. This is cute. Again, I like the different things. This is more useful. The next ones are more useful. Again, this is an improved box, in my opinion, than the last couple boxes. So this is the Juniper Bunny. And then this is cute. Right here. Again, I still feel like these are something that you would find like at Michael's in their bins before you check out. And I still stand by that, but this is cute. Not that those are not cute items. So make sure I put that out there. So this is definitely cute. Oh, see, I jumped ahead at the adhesive pockets. So what I get, oh, I'm sorry, another pocket insert. I'm not gonna open that because you guys have seen them a million times. And then ooh, we have the sticker sheets. Again, this is why we don't. And you guys would have seen my plan with me on this. If you haven't, it is in this corner, or like the little eye thing. Yeah, these are pretty. They're rose gold. Again, I need these stickers to be different than what they are for me to have them work. And the last but not least is this bow, which has glue all over it. I don't know if you can see that there's glue all over this bow. It may be something that you can just like pull out. Maybe I'll try. Oh yeah, see, I was like looking at that, I'm like, there's glue all over it, but I feel like it would be something you can pull out. Okay, hang on. Nope. It's okay, little surgery, we're good, it's fine. There we go. So this is cute, it's a stiff bow, so it's gonna hold its shape much better. I'm gonna rotate this because that easily could get caught or have that slip off. To be honest, I would probably close that. I don't have my jewelry stuff up here. Like, I thought that was accessible. Oh, you don't even need it. And just slip it under there so you have like a seamless top. And then it would hang like this. This is really cute. I like this a lot. So, you know, this one may be my favorite. Even though I think the secondary washi is probably my least favorite. But I find I would use this. And potentially I could use this one. I don't know what that means. I would not use that one, but I would use this. This is cute, and then I don't have anything magnetic, so I wouldn't use that, but it's cute. Like, I like this thing. And then, again, the rest of the stuff I would probably not use. You know, this might be a good makeup bag, just to kind of shove things in there. It's not bad. That would be kind of a good use for it, I think. So, yeah, this is potentially my last haul, again, depending if the washi is mind-blowing in the next one. This would be my second to last one, I'm sorry, because the Galaxy one is definitely coming to me for sure. And then I've never participated in a double dip because I don't need to, because I have one, but the Galaxy one may be the one that I would actually do the double dip for, because she said it was only part of the box, and you know, you can get on that level if you know what I mean. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.